being named floor manufacturer in China. Hardwood is expertise in offering the ultimate customer experience, flooring designs and DIY solutions for the well-being of people and respecting the environment. Serving the wide range of solid wood, engineered floor products, Hardwood are dedicated to delivering excellence and generating value in innovation and sustainable ways. By professional working line and high-efficiency management, Hardwood keeps improving in production and quality control. Simplicity is Jeddah culture to business partners such as architects and designers, installers, contractors, and distributors in the world.